I was awake till 6:30. Market was crashing.
Yeah, market crashed a
like
lot.
this. It's like it was all red.
Yeah.
And then I booked my loss, and like I was like, I need to stop it and
Take a break.
and see how the market is gonna behave.
Right. But it's good you booked your losses, right? Because the market went further down.
Yeah. तूने क्या किया? तेरा कैसा?
So I also booked the loss. I made a lot of money, but I lost 80-90% of it. I'm still in profit, but then I lost a big chunk. I lost almost 50% of my capital.
So you wanna enter right now or wait for it?
So I have entered in small quantities. I'm waiting for the market to recover, and then gradually I'll see. I have both long and short positions, so I'm seeing in whichever direction the market will go. Accordingly, I'll take.
क्या गोल है तेरा?
Goal-
बुल रन का क्या गोल है?
Bull run का goal है कि I want to 10x my money at least, right? Obviously with leverage, right? Suppose if a coin goes up by 100% and with 10x leverage, right, you make 10x of that money. So that's the target. But we have to be very cautious, right, in this bull run.
Yeah. What's your goal? You're like our OG in crypto.
मेरा तो गोल ये है कि एक कॉइन फाइंड आउट करना है एटलीस्ट जिसमें 100x का रिटर्न बन जाए
100x.
Yes.
Ferrari लेंगे क्या?
फरारी लैम्बोर्गिनी कुछ भी चलेगा बट
It's like aim for stars.
सो 100x टोकन को फाइंड आउट करना मेन गोल है
Okay, makes sense. तुम्हारा क्या गोल है?
मेरा like I want to go on my own trip, like solo trip, and fund my own things.
Okay. So what's the leverage goal? Like 2x, 3x? इसका तो 100x हो गया कि 10x पे.
Leverage तो actually it's a lesson for me.
Okay.
You need to be very careful with the leverage.
Yeah.
So that you'll be very careful. I mean your profits and losses.
But I somehow I don't know what like I got none. What about like जब market गिर रही थी ना तो मेरा एकदम like I could feel my emotions like it was like just 2 days before the market crash it pumped so much and I booked some good profits. उसके बाद it just crashed and I didn't know what to do and I think I went little greedy somewhere and I put little more money, put a little more extra leverage. So I don't know how much you lost, like Menka.
So I made a loss of 2.5 thousand, and that night was a very scary night. I couldn't sleep. I'm just like in my phone. I'm just scrolling when the market will go up, when the market will go up, and I'm praying God to just somehow just make one candle clean and just book whatever
One
from the price that I made anything. And then I was like very sleepy. I was like, whatever happened, even if I get liquidated, it's fine. I'm gonna sleep. And I slept.
You slept, and then you got.
And then again, I got a dream about it.
It actually runs in your subconscious mind.
It do runs.
And then you suddenly wake up at night 4 o'clock, panic, "Arey, phone ka hai?" And you see your portfolio is still there, right? It's not liquidated. So you again sleep and.
हमारे पंडित जी जो हैं, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा चल रहा है?
अभी तो खराब चल रहा है। अभी सबका खराब चल रहा है तो मेरा भी बट ऑब्वियसली बात है खराब चलेगा क्योंकि हाईएस्ट मार्केट कैप है आफ्टर बिटकॉइन। बट मेरे हिसाब से आई हैव बीन सीइंग दिस मार्केट फ्रॉम लाइक लास्ट 1 year. I saw Bitcoin at somewhere around $35,000 and I saw till 108K dollars. So for me अभी तो मैंने उतना लॉस नहीं किया है बिकॉज आई हैव बीन स्लो एंड स्टडी बट फ्यूचरिस्टिक आई एम जैसे मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडियन है इनटू द मार्केट हु आर लाइक बिगिनर्स और इंटरमीडिएट जिनको फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट होना है एंड आई एम जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन दैट थिंग नॉट बहुत बड़ा गोल ऐसा कुछ नहीं है बट जस्ट बीइंग फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट
बट मेरे को एक चीज बहुत वो लगता है व्हेन आई जॉइन पाई 42 सो मुझे लगा था अरे आई एम गोना डू माय वर्क I don't understand this crypto industry. Then I met Aman. He made me not only fall in love. He like right Menka, even you.
Yes, it's because of Aman.
Yeah, like that he used to take our classes and do that. But देखो Web3 समझता है, देवेश तुझे समझ आता है कि होता क्या उसमें.
See Web3, to be very frank, see I'm a finance guy, right? So I'm not much into Web3, but I'm more into crypto and ultimately पैसे बनाने हैं, right? So I
हाँ.
don't get much into the technical part
हाँ.
कि Web3 क्या है and all those things. My own like goal is to do technical analysis and make money.
But whatever market, Nifty, crypto,
Yeah, whatever market it is,
technical
right?
analysis
Yeah,
करो,
yes, पैसे
बनाओ.
बनाओ. I don't
तुमको नहीं जमता.
नहीं जमता.
तुम तो हमेशा ज्ञान देते ही रहते हो. What's your long term take? What do you think? Like जैसे एक टाइम पे Bitcoin आया था, then people like, okay, what is this? हम किसी को समझा भी नहीं पाते थे what is blockchain. But now from there to this, right, Aman, what do you think where the Web3 will go and how this is a satta bazaar, or what do you think, or is it like a investing thing? What do you think there? Like
So-
Web3 satta, how does it relate? Yeah.
सो Web3 बेसिकली अभी लोगों को Web3 में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. उनको इंटरेस्ट है कॉइन मिल जाए, पैसा डाल दें और
अपने
पैसा
निवेश जैसा.
हाँ, लोगों को पैसा बनाना है. That's
Classic.
it.
हाँ हाँ.
इसलिए लोग क्या कर रहे हैं ना, मीम कॉइन ज़्यादा बना रहे हैं जिनके बैकएंड पे कोई ब्लॉकचेन नहीं है, कोई यूज केस नहीं है.
हाँ.
Web3 में उनका कोई इंपॉर्टेंस ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
और उस पे सबसे ज्यादा लोगों का रिटर्न बन रहा है.
हाँ.
तो अभी जो पूरा मार्केट अनरेगुलेटेड है Web3 का, जैसे ही वो रेगुलेटेड होगा, लोग एक्चुअल एप्लीकेशन बिल्ड करेंगे, एक्चुअल यूज केस आएगा, तब जाके एक्चुअल हमें पता चलेगा Web3 में क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज है. Web3 में सारी चीजें हैं, NFTs से लेके मेटावर्स है, डिसेंट्रलाइज फाइनेंस है. फाइनेंस का भी एक देवेश बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है जो डिसेंट्रलाइज DeFi जो कि Web3 का part है. तो ये सारी चीजें वहाँ एप्लीकेशंस है, बट कोई उसको यूज नहीं कर रहा. और जो उसके एक्चुअल यूज केस के प्रोजेक्ट है उस पे कोई इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहा. जो इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है पेपे, नीम, टेंगू, बहुत सारे
मगर ये फाट कौन निकला?
Chill guy.
ये chill guy. हाँ.
तो आप ऐसे
And what is that AI coin name that recently got launched?
या AI पूरा नाम तो कुछ है पता नहीं, बट AI टोकन ही है. एक टाइप से AI चैटबॉट है, सिमिलर टू वर्चुअल्स प्रोटोकॉल. वर्चुअल्स प्रोटोकॉल भी AI चैटबॉट है, ये भी चैटबॉट है, बट थोड़ा मीम साइड है.
मुझे लगता है ये हमारा वो हर्षन मेहता वाला एरा चल रहा है जिसमें लोगों को पता नहीं है
क्या
करना क्या है.
जस्ट
पैसे लगा दो, पैसे बना दो. What do you say?
But मतलब मेरे हिसाब से ऐसा लग रहा है कि it's more over emotion driven rather than a strategy driven thing.
Of course, हाँ.
Because when you look to the market, it completely operates in terms of like वो tweet से operate हो रहा है, then Telegram news से operate हो रहा है. Elon Musk ने अपना Twitter का DP change कर दिया, उस coin में सीधे 1000% up आ गया. So मतलब this will take time. People have to understand because why जो हम बात करते हैं कि ये सट्टा बाजार है, these words are given because there is no clear structure given to it like other markets, stock और ऐसा चीज जहाँ पे बड़े like you have to be a registered SEBI advisor to give an advisory on in terms of market and everything. But sooner or later this will happen. But अभी लोगों का main objective है कि भाई जितना पैसा बन पा रहा बना लो. और एक बार ये रेगुलराइज हो गया तो नहीं बचेगा because it's evident there is a concern कि there will the percentage that they are going to make will drop. This is my opinion.
And this market runs 24/7, right, Shivani? Like, yeah.
Yes.
And you would know who is. Yeah. So, like, in what category you are? You are here to make money, or you trust in Web3? Like, how do you place where you place yourself? Being a newbie, you're just starting
Yes.
this.
So basically, first of all, I'm a newbie.
Yeah.
And crypto is really new to me. It's like an 5th class math teaching to only one person.
Yeah.
So yeah, but the one thing I learned is your analysis is very important. First, suppose I have opened a position earlier, XRP coin.
Sure.
So for that coin, I have done my own analysis. And I have opened another coin by the outer source and all.
Like some telegrams.
Yes.
Like take a call, take a shot.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is how मतलब this is what a new market or a new when we talk about कि market getting stable in crypto space, that is strategy driven. So this is how like a newbie taking not just going into market for making money but putting their strategical thought also. So this gives a support in terms of कि like a hope कि ये मार्केट ऐसे वैनिश नहीं हो जाएगा. This market will be there, the Web3 will be there. But we have to just make a way for it or structure करना.
Yeah, of course. But do you know about XRP? Like, do you know what you studied about XRP?
So I studied the candle, how much it can go low. I mean, you need
And
to
now
have
when
that
you're
idea,
for
like
investing,
yes.
like you said, okay, makes
Yeah.
sense. Yeah.
So what your entry price, how much loss you can take, or the meaning stop loss,
Of course.
how much you can bear. If you do the analysis of that coin, you can, like, whenever the market goes niche and you're okay with that loss, you can just close it. Like, not what they say, draining your capital.
Okay. I think we have talked a lot about trading per se, but do you have any investment on sports?
Yeah, I do
Like,
have.
are you something like someone like जैसे हमारे time पे मम्मा ने घर बना दिया बीकानेर में, and then they'll used to give it to the next family, right? So out of you, do you think any one of you will buy a coin right now and keep it for like 50 years? Will you do that?
I'm not sure about 50 years. I have bought a few coins, lot of coins in small quantity.
Yeah.
And I think even if one coin, does well, right, it
Yeah.
will cover up the entire portfolio.
Sure.
So I have bought some coins in spot and kept it. Not planned when do I plan to sell it, but then
But it's a long term.
But it's a long-term thing, and I feel that even one coin gives good return, then you can make a very good return.
So you're taking this as a financial call that 5% of your portfolio is
Yeah.
part of a crypto.
Power
Fair.
crypto, yeah.
Yeah. Menka, what's your this thing?
So as I'm new to crypto and stuff, I'm still learning about it. And as of now, I'm not seeing it as an investment because I want to invest when I'm like clear about it.
Fair.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you're still taking your time.
Yes, I'm just thinking and how the market works.
Yeah.
With all the strategy
Yeah.
and all that. So just thinking.
I think, to be very honest, being a mother of 3-year-old, I don't want to be feel like that down the line, 20 years, what had happened, what I've seen with my grandfather and dad. Ki Mishita woke up and say, "What? You didn't buy an Ethereum at that time?" I don't do that, right? So I have decided I'm gonna buy certain projects where I feel faith as a Web3. Like, of course, Bitcoin I've like shooted, but if I can own a small piece of Bitcoin, Ethereum is very affordable right now. So I'm planning that I'll keep a small portfolio so that I do not repeat the history where we will be like,
Yes.
you have not bought the Asian Paint shares, you have not bought,
This
MRF.
landlord in this famous area,
Yeah.
it was sold for 300.
Yeah, exactly. I think I definitely don't want to do that. Like, I lose this opportunity. And I also have a very high faith in the Web3, NFTs. When you start studying it, so I feel that it's there. But yeah, in the end, I think, how many of us have faced losses till now?
Yeah.
Like, ups.
Everyone. I'm looking at
That's a
the
part
Yeah.
of it.
Yeah, part. And how many have made profits?
Yeah. So when I made my loss, so I was like, okay, this is done. I'm taking a break, and then I will do it. But that thing, that loss was like, it was still going into my mind. How am I going to recover
So it
that?
just impacted.
Yeah. And then there was a thought that I'll just let it go. I'm not trading anything. Whatever I have, I'll just take it back.
Yeah.
And then the same thought ran into my mind that because we know this industry will boom in the future, and my future generation should not ask, you are in a crypto firm and you didn't learn anything about it.
Yeah.
So that mistake I'm not going to make. So I'm
Makes
just
sense.
taking it slow.
Perfect. I think, but for on a very, if somebody will ask you like one thing, what you've learned in the last 6 months, 200 years, right? And like from the time you guys have started trading, there's one thing which will be your mool mantra or something which you will stick. What would be that? I think let's start from Sarvesh. Yeah.
For me, it will be moreover in terms of reading into the market because I have been looking it for a longer time, and this gives me a kind of confidence to when to enter into the market.
Yeah.
It's and moreover it comes from the spot kind of a strategy where you know what time, what point to enter, and कब ये फटेगा.
Yeah.
So that kind of thing.
Read the market.
Yeah.
Do your own research.
Do your own research.
Do
Yeah,
your
for
own
sure.
research. Yeah. Okay. What would be yours?
So I think I have multiple points here on the learning, right?
1.1.
So biggest learning is don't have any FOMO, right? You
Uh-huh.
always feel that it's too late and Bitcoin has already gone up and
Ah,
people do a lot of
so
FOMO buying, right? That it has already gone up, but market will always give you a chance to get back,
Wow.
right? So always be
Same.
patient
Very safe.
and be patient and you will get your chance, right? Do not get into that FOMO and your utmost priority should be to protect your capital. If you have your capital, you will make money. You have to be just patient with the market and have your stop losses and manage your capital, manage your risk. Ultimately, you will make money.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. Nice. Venka?
So mine is not to be greedy.
Ah.
Because in a single day, I was like booking profits. Like whatever the amount was, I'm just booking profit. And I had a thought, I'll close everything now. But then I was like, little bit. And I liquidated my position. With the more amount where I couldn't, make a profit.
Yeah, makes
So,
sense.
yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah, mine would be like, first of all, don't be scared of losses, do not do panic selling and all. So that
I do a lot of panic selling.
Yes, that is the most, because, and if you do the panic selling, don't regret after that.
But that is
No,
important.
but one point, panic selling, I think you have to take a threshold and you have
Yeah.
to book your losses, right?
Yeah.
Because what happened with me is, if I wouldn't have booked my loss that day, my losses would have tripled. Right?
Yes, I even for me.
That-
Yeah,
I mean,
I would have tanked.
correct. You
Yeah.
have tanked, right?
Yeah.
So, to that extent, I think you should
Yes,
at
and
least learn to
it's
book
a
losses
loss
as
for
well, right?
yourself.
And
And-
treat it as a business, right? I mean, in business, you have some profits, you have some losses, some expenses. So this is also an expense. Your loss is an expense, your profit is your revenue. So you can't always make profits.
Correct.
So that is also one thing.
I mean,
Yeah.
take
Part
it
and parcel.
positively, that's
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
And or else put a goal, like whenever you face a loss, or suppose the first time I had a loss, and then only I got a news from my owner saying that my rent was increased. So then I thought that
Losses at a time.
You lost.
from next month, my goal was it shouldn't go from my pocket. Whatever the increased amount is, it shouldn't go from the pocket. It should come from another some liquidity.
Yeah.
So I thought, let me earn from the profit so that at least that part of the amount will go from the profits.
Yeah.
Put a goal for yourself so that the positivity attitude should be there.
Yeah, done. Aman, I have a tricky one for you. Do you think it impacts your mind, the market, when it fluctuates? Because crypto is 24-hour market. It fluctuates, right? Morning it's up. Does it fluctuate your mind also? Do you think? And what?
Always.
Always, right?
Trading
A lot.
is like there are two type of trader. One is a proper system trader, जिन्होंने कोड स्क्रिप्ट लिख दिया उनका पैसा बनना, and there is another trader who is called system trader. So यहाँ पे हमारे TP और SL लगने के बाद भी हम उसे चेंज करते रहते हैं.
What is TP in SL if you can explain?
Target point and stop loss. Whenever you enter, you have a target like 10 रुपए का profit I will book or maximum 1 rupees loss I will book.
Yeah.
So the loss is SL and profit is your TP.
Yeah.
And जो प्रॉपर सिस्टम ट्रेडर होता है ना, उनका कोड एग्जीक्यूट हो जाता है एंड दे मेक्स अ प्रॉफिट और अ लॉस, और उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. वो बस एक हफ्ते के बाद आके देखते हैं कि सिस्टम ने कितना पैसा बनाया. हमारे साथ क्या होता है, हमने टीपी लगा दिया, एसएल लगा दिया, अब देख रहे हैं मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है, ये तो टीपी से भी ऊपर जाएगा, टीपी और बढ़ा दिया, अब नीचे जा रहा है, थोड़ा सा और लॉस कर लेते हैं, एसएल भी हमने चेंज कर दिया. वो जो इमोशंस है,
over fluctuation, over
ह्यूमन इमोशंस जहाँ ही ट्रेडिंग में इन्वॉल्व होगा, it will lead to zero.
Yes.
Human emotions trading
Gone.
में
Yeah.
always, और उसके कारण आपका पोर्टफोलियो, आपका मूड स्विंग्स. If it is down, you are down. If it is up, you are up.
But I think that's the beauty, no?
Yeah.
But what do you think, if you have to give one tip to someone who is starting new like me, because you're training me, like what do you think that would be one tip you would give it to me? Like on the mood swings and all the fluctuations.
So मैंने पूरा क्रिप्टो का साइकिल 5 या 6 साल का देखा है.
Yeah.
इस 5 और 6 साल में मैंने जो पर्सनली सीखा है और जो मुझे बेस्ट लगता है हर किसी के लिए, मार्केट में पहली चीज, whenever you want to enter, check fear and greed index. If it is fear, मतलब proper greed, do not enter.
Okay.
Even neutral, not enter. Whenever it is in like full fear
Fear.
zone, it means market में बहुत अच्छा correction हुआ. You can enter.
Okay.
It can be take 3 months, 6 months or a year. It can be like 4 years. But even if you track that fear and greed index, और हमेशा जब भी market fear में जा रहा है आप buy कर रहे हो ना, so आपसे अच्छा hedge कोई नहीं कर सकता. Even the big investment firm भी जो होते हैं वो 3 महीने का wait करेंगे, जब तक market अच्छा correction नहीं आएगा, you will invest ही नहीं करेंगे. सो हर 3 महीने का वेट कीजिए. Whenever market like सबसे बड़ा करेक्शन में enter, make the money. Whenever again ये फेमस इनका स्टेटमेंट है वॉरेन बफे का, क्या था, आई गेस समवेयर लाइक be greedy when other are fearful and be fearful when other are greedy. So
Wow.
exactly same
Nice,
is focus,
nice.
and it's work in all the markets.
Yeah, it
Stock,
does.
crypto, in.
I wish I could be also like a Warren Buffett, and I'll say keep trading.